Hey everybody, welcome back. The time's finally come. The ryegrass is going to die. It came back to life during all that rain when I was out of town, and I can't deal with it, so it's going to die. Let me show you how it's done. Before we get started though, I'm not in the proper attire to spray herbicide. No long sleeves, I'm wearing flip-flops. I need to change into some better gear. There we go. So I decided not to do this myself. I'm actually going to hire this out because I don't feel like I want to do the work. I've postponed the ryegrass long enough, so I'm going to pay someone to do it. I met a guy on Craigslist Misconnections. He seems like a good enough fella. He agreed to do it at a reasonable rate. I can't give you that pricing though because we signed an NDA agreement on what it cost me. But he's going to spray the ryegrass for me, so stay tuned because this is the best way to kill ryegrass in your Bermuda lawn. My name's Blondie the Barbarian, and this is how we get things done. That's how it's done. Blondie the Barbarian killing the ryegrass. So Blondie the Barbarian was a really good find. I'm glad the misconnection was answered. As you can see behind me, world's greatest Bermuda lawn. There you have it. You don't get a color like that with just any normal lawn. That is how you properly kill ryegrass in Bermuda grass in the summertime. What was that? I have no idea what happened there. I apologize to my viewers for that. I hope that never happens again. I'm at a loss for words with that. However, it does appear that my ryegrass has been sprayed out with an application of Monument, a little bit of surfactant, and a whole lot of super juice. So we'll see how it goes. I will say though, you want color like that, you have to use the juice. You gotta juice it. So with that, I'm out of here tonight, guys. I hope you all had a good time with this. I had a lot of fun. Please hit the like and subscribe button. You know the routine. Ding the bell so you know when the new good stuff comes and you can take it in instantly. I'm out of here now. I'm going to make some eggplant parmesan. You all have a good one.